The other day, I saw a post on my news feed that said making scales was very, very difficult. What we're going to do today is create two separate scale brushes, one building upon the other. Let's go with black for our color. I'm going to tap on the Actions menu up here at the top left, and I'm going to go to Crop and Resize so you can see the settings. I'm at 2048 by 2048 with DPI of 300. So it's just a standard square that we're using. Let's go back here to the Actions menu. We're in Canvas, and we're going to come down here and turn on Drawing Guide. Then I'm going to do an Edit Drawing Guide, and I want a grid to use as a guide. Grid size is going to be 512 because 2048 divided by 4 equals 512. So that gives us a 4 by 4 grid here. Let's make the grid color blue and max out the opacity, and we'll click Done. And then what we want to do is create an arc going from here to here. I'm going to change my size here to 40. By the way, we're in calligraphy using the monoline brush. This is the unmodified monoline brush. I don't need smoothing on it, even though I'm one of those people that can't draw a straight line. And let's make our arc. I'm going to go from here to here and hold it. And we'll do an edit shape. And we want a smooth, even arc that fills up these two squares. So I don't really like that one. We're going to undo it. And we'll do it again. Smooth, even arc. Hold it. We'll edit that shape. There we go. Now we can put these dots here, right at the intersections of the lines. I had too much of a dip on one side. And then we're going to take this middle dot and move it down. Now if I put the dot directly on the lines, it's kind of skewed, which really is all right if that's what you want. And there we go. Here is our arc. I'm going to duplicate this arc, and I'm going to put it 45 degrees up here. I want this to be perfectly crossed over like that. And then I'm going to move it all the way over here and make sure that it has a nice perfect crossover over here as well. And there is a method to my madness. Duplicate that, flip it horizontal, and then merge those down, and they are now exactly equal. So now I can delete my initial layer 1 and move this into its place. And you will see that it's right up against there and right up against there equally, and the center of the line is in the crosshairs there. And now we can use it to build our scales with. We'll duplicate it, move it up 45 degrees, don't forget that you can do a two-finger undo if it doesn't look right. Duplicate it again, and we'll move it this way. And you see that perfectly fits in there. Now I'm going to duplicate it again, and we will go this way. And again, and we go this way. Now, if I take these top two layers and merge them down, and merge the bottom three layers together, I can duplicate the top one, move it down to here, and see that matches very nicely. And then I will duplicate this one and move it down till it snaps there. And then I'm going to zoom in and tap until it touches the bottom like that. And there we have a perfect scale pattern. Left, right, up, down, all matching together. I'm going to invert this. And I'm going to copy. And then let's go to my patterns. I'm going to click on the plus sign, go to grain, edit, import, paste, give that a done. And for rendering, we're going to use a light glaze. Let's see, that's good. Let's go to Apple Pencil and turn the opacity all the way to none. Go to properties, give it a maximum size of 400. That way we can make great big huge ones. And then I will click done. And what this will do is allow us to very quickly put scales onto the canvas. Now, if I go to the background, make it black, I'm going to take layer 1 here and duplicate it. We're going to choose a gray color. And on this layer here, we are going to create a second set of scales. Let's go up to the S ribbon. That's the selection. I've got it on automatic. And I'm going to tap this top one. And let's go to the calligraphy, no, the airbrushing. We're going to use the soft brush. I have it set for 16%. And I'm just going to color in here, but not all the way through. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this piece here. Color it down like that. And then we can do these two. And then we duplicate layer 1. And we take one of them, slide it to the left until it snaps. Take the other one, slide it to the right until it snaps. And then we will merge them together. I have both snapping and magnetics on my transform, You can see here, magnetic and snappy is on. My distance is set for 10, and my velocity is 1.6. Just in case you want to make sure to get the same results I have. So now we're going to color in this one. And this one. And the reason I do these up-down ones separately is because the cursor actually goes beyond that corner and we don't want it to color the tile above. So let's duplicate layer 1. And this time we're going to slide them up and down. Merge those down. Merge. Don't combine. There we go. And we can select both of these two centers. And we can color in like that. And here is our next tile set. I will copy that. Set the background back to there. And go back up to my patterns. I'm going to duplicate this one. And in grain, edit, import, paste. Give that a done. And because I have my rendering set to light glaze, it is not going to become a solid line where we have that extra bit there. Let's go ahead and choose, green. Let's turn the drawing guide off. And you can see here it's got this green here. If we zoom in, no matter how much I do this, it's not going to turn the center portions solid. To demonstrate that, I'm just going to duplicate it real quick, go to the rendering, and let's choose a heavy glaze. Give that a done. And you see how those inside portions get less and less faded out until it's just all solid lines. No fun there. I don't like that. I like this one. And what we're going to do is fill this up like this. Let's create another layer. And I'm going to color this layer blue. And look at what that does. You get a lovely scale pattern. So I hope that this has helped you out, and I hope you have a wonderful day.